Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select the video or photo that you want to add. Well, I'm going to choose this photo as my background. Now scroll like this and tap on the background. Here you guys can make it blur like this. To edit the photo, tap on edit, and you guys can scroll like this and find out a lot of options here. I'm going to customize its opacity. For this, tap on opacity. Now tap on the check mark. Here let's go back, and now it's time to bring the green screen video here. For this, tap on overlay, and now tap add overlay. Now choose the video that you want to add. Here extend the video. Scroll like this and tap on remove BG. Here tap on Chroma Key. Now put the Chroma Key on the green screen here. Here you guys can customize its intensity like this. You guys can also find out the shadow option. You can also customize it like this. Now tap on the check mark. Let's watch the video. So this is how you guys can remove green screen in CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.